Hey, it's Kate with WTI. Two things that I love is using bee products and then of course using natural products where I can. So I'm super excited about this throat spray.
This throat spray is by B&U, and as you might have guessed from the name, it has raw honey and propolis extract, which I just learned so many amazing things about propolis. It actually serves as the hive's immune system, so it has really fantastic benefits for us. It's full of antioxidants. I really appreciate that this spray fits in the palm of my hand, so it's the perfect size to take with me on the go. I can just pop it in my purse and then I have it when I need it. And I recently was dealing with a little bit of a dry cough and a little bit of a scratchy throat. So if you're recovering from something like that that's been irritating you, or maybe it's just that time of the year outside, you can use this and it provides an instant relief. It has menthol in it, so it provides this nice soothing relief, which is so great when your throat is not feeling ideal. I appreciate how powerful this spray is, but also it's very easy to actually use, which I really appreciate. It has a nice, fresh, kind of almost minty taste too. So as a bonus, it's going to freshen your breath. But I just really appreciate how fast this works and how it gives me that nice, soothing feeling and that nice relief.
This throat spray is pretty cool. It works so fast. It is nice and soothing. And of course, I love that this is a bee product and I feel like I'm helping to support bees when I use it. I recommend checking this out if you are looking for a nice natural way to support your throat and your immune system and all that good stuff. But that's just my point of view.